Oh, there's a car behind us. Damn it. Hi guys. So it's much later. As you just saw, I made some egg salad. That was all that I filmed today. But Brandy and I are actually heading out to town now. Today's Thursday, so they're actually starting up Playlist Thursdays again. In one of my videos, I talked about one of my favorite places that closed down because of the pandemic. It was called Best. And every Thursday they would have Playlist Thursdays where they would choose someone, or I guess someone would volunteer, sometimes around their birthday, to host a Playlist Thursday. So they put together a whole playlist. So there was basically a different vibe every Thursday based on whoever's playlist it was. So it was always a good time, and people would go like bar hopping on Thursdays. So that's basically when our weekend here would start, and everybody would be out. This is the first one happening tonight, so not sure if a lot of people will be there, but we're heading out anyway. Rosa's already there, so Brandy and I are gonna meet her now. Okay, I'm driving, so I will talk to you and update you when we get there. I'm walking to show you guys the Christmas lights that they have up in town right now. Look how cute. I don't know who decorated this, but cute. Usually there's some guys hanging out here, not at night. Lady. Oh, I don't know anything about that. So we're walking back up the road right now to Limerick Park, which is over there, and I will link my video from last year up here so that you guys can see what it looked like. So usually what they do is they have different organizations volunteer, and they basically like sponsor a tree. So each tree has a different person who decorated it, or a different group of people. It's closed right now, but it's really pretty in there. Little handmade ornaments on this one.
From different places, I guess, because I went to St. John.
Where? Oh, cool. Oh no, that's the tourism sign.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Cute. I did not. But okay, so George just called me out because I didn't put in his vlog footage from the studio, but it's because I didn't have like a time. Like I needed to be like, I'm gonna put in the footage now so you can see what George's studio looks like.
You'll put out right here, excuses.
We're just going to take a quick intermission to take a tour of Soundstage VI, which is the photography studio that George was just talking about in the last clip. So I went there and I took a tour with George. As you can see, they have a lot of really cool rooms. In this one, they can change the lights to fit any mood, whatever you need for your video shoots, photo shoots, podcast recordings. They have this media center and this section where you can take your headshots in case you need professional photos for any reason. They can also do your passport photos if that's something that you need. They have this giant green room, which is amazing. They do everything in-house. They have a recording studio for T40 Records. Very, very cool. They did an amazing job with all the renovations up here. So very proud of them. So if you need anything, make sure you go down in the description box. I'll have their website linked so you can check out their services. So if there's anything you need, definitely reach out to George and he'll get you sorted out. saw I actually saw a couple of people in town that I knew. I'm driving right now. I'm driving back home. I have to drop in Brandy home. But yeah, I saw a couple of people that I knew. I hope you guys enjoyed that little tour of George's studio space. Definitely book them if you need some professional shots taken, or if you want to do some sort of video work. They do a lot of things in there. I will actually leave the link to their website down below so you can go check out everything that they offer. But yeah, it was a really good night. It was very chill. That's all I really wanted. It's a Thursday night, so you know what more can you ask for? And yeah, I'm looking really yellow right now. Hold on. So I'm about to head back home. I'm gonna find something to eat, and then honestly I think I'm just gonna go home and edit, because I was editing my Coconut Festival video before I got home, and I finished editing it. I literally just need to do some voiceovers, so I'm gonna do the voiceovers on the Coconut Festival video, upload it so that you guys can see that first thing in the morning. I'm back home now. I actually just spent like, I don't know, maybe like 10-15 minutes on the phone with Amani just catching up. I'm in the car. Yeah, the reason why I didn't really vlog today is because I needed a break, and I felt really guilty about it, honestly, because I know that I spent this entire past weekend like out and about and partying, but I was still like vlogging and like still doing work on the side. So I think I really did need to just like take today off. So I literally woke up this morning super early, but then by like 8 o'clock I was back in bed, and I was like sleeping on and off until like 5 o'clock, and then I had to get up, and I still had some work that I had to do today, so I did the work that I was supposed to do. So I still got everything that I needed to get done, but today was definitely my day off, because I feel like I haven't had a day off in like a good 2 weeks now. So I don't know, I'm still figuring out the balance with like this working for myself thing, like how much I should actually be going, because I do want to be successful, but I also don't want to burn out. So I'm still trying to find the balance. But today was well needed. I had a lot of fun tonight. It was just a nice chill night, just hanging out with my girls, and yeah, I feel pretty refreshed. So tomorrow definitely will be up and early. I definitely will be up early, just getting everything else done for the end of the week. So tomorrow is Friday. We're actually going to be going, Adriel and I are going to be going on a boat again. We have a little night sail actually for Denise's birthday tomorrow, so we're gonna have fun. I'm gonna vlog it so that you guys can see what goes on, so you guys can be a part of the party. Yeah, it's gonna be a really good time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.